Do you know why women chase certain men? It all comes down to a few characteristic features most men lack. In the next 5 minutes, you will clearly understand 3 qualities that make men extremely irresistible with women while being themselves. So, today's video is not just about being attractive, it's also about being your true self. So, let's get started. Number 1. The way you treat yourself. Men who are always depressed or not happy with what's happening in their lives always curse themselves for what's happening. You should have come across quite a few people like them in your life. If you don't respect who you are, then how can you even think of changing your life for any good? If you don't give respect for yourself, then how are others gonna respect you? Start imposing high standards over yourself and start working towards them. This is what makes you attractive to others, especially women. Women love men who have standards. Standards include discipline, standing on your words, ability to ignore people who drain your energy, and a lot more. The goals and standards you've set will make you start giving respect for yourself. This is how others start giving value without you asking for it. Might be on the way to reach your standards, you might lose some people. Obviously, these people are nothing but a waste of time. The higher you raise your standards, the lesser and cleaner your inner circle would be. Women come and go on such a journey. But remember, you will come across some valuable people when you have your standards high. This is the place where most loyalty exists around you. This is how your concentration towards your goals is gonna be massive. You start ignoring women who aren't your type. This is how women around you go crazy to be with you. It's all because of your standards. This trait is really what makes you irresistible to women. In short, giving respect for yourself means giving huge priority to your life and career goals. Women want successful men both in life and their career. Number 2. Others' opinions don't define you. Do you know what makes a man very unattractive? It's reacting to what people talk at their back. This is what makes you weak and restless. Remember that not every person in this world is going to like you for what you are. That is why nice guys try to please others and get exhausted. Instead, a real man remains as he wants to. He doesn't care about what others think about him. He doesn't change for others or to please everyone. Do remember, people who are like-minded will always attract. This is how friends and relations are made. Women don't care for nice guys who always cry for people who hate him. Women love those who stay rock solid even after there's only few people left on his side or no one at all. Have unshakable confidence in staying and living the way you are. This is the type of man women love to be with. Number 3. Trying something new. This is sometimes called as adventurousness. If you are a man who is not afraid to try something new or go out of the way to make difference from your routine life, then you are already attractive to women. It might be trying new food, might be picking a new hobby or exploring different places. A man who can take risk to make his life better is someone that women notice immediately in the crowd. Your attitude of not giving up will be 1,000 times more brighter than the sun. Women want men who are rare, who are different from the rest. Women love men who have spice in their life. Their life is not a routine one, just like most men have. If you choose the difference, then you are ultimately choosing to be exciting than others. And that is what women love the most. So never give up on your crazy dreams and stuff you've always wanted to do. Might be sometimes they might end up really very bad, but it's better than feeling regretful of not doing them ever. So that's it for today's video, guys. With that being said, thank you for watching.